everyone, this is Precious Honey. On this video guys, I wanna cook today because it's Monday night. So we are here now in my kitchen. So today my recipe, I don't have mood to cook, but just only get in my mind is I wanna cook ground beef. So this is my own version for ground beef recipe. So this is not exactly picadillo because I don't have enough ingredients for this. So I had only the simple ingredients, but you know, it's similar to picadillo. So I have my ground beef here, my potatoes, carrot, bell pepper, green bell pepper, tomatoes, green peas, and of course we have virgin coconut oil. This is my favorite. Onion, garlic, laurel. We use laurel for this, and my soy sauce. I like to use soy sauce to make the meat color, you know, hindi siya maputla. If you use only asin, maputla siya. So this is only optional. If you want to use a cube, then up to you guys. And I have my ground black pepper, and this is also optional if you don't have beef stock, so you can use a normal water. So let's proceed now because I'm a little bit hungry. So let's get started. So, ito na yung ating giniling na baka recipe. So, it's very easy mga palangga. It's, the ingredients also is very easy. Kung hindi man kompleto, okay lang at least, 'di ba? Nagisa natin yung ating giniling na baka. You can add more kung talagang perfect picadillo siya. Raisins and green olive or black olives. Ayan, yun yung mga sa picadillo talaga. So I don't have olive right now, and someone don't like raisins too. So guys, how creamy na, and I taste, and it's really taste good. So let it dry for like 3 minutes more. So ito na yung ating giniling. Luto na siya mga palangga. Nahubas na yung sabaw niya. It's almost done. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Precious Honey. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. And for who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then hit the subscribe button guys to more updated kayo every time na may bago akong upload. So maybe next week or this week I will upload my DIY again. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Bye.